Gonna wait for the rest of us, Mike?
No, because there is a beverage with my name on it.
Hi, we are here at Hollywood Studios, part of our adult trip. Day 2, it's me, Mike, Mom, Dad, Sarah, and Pete, and I'm very excited. We're gonna have a great day. We have the jaunty music playing. My mom tried to talk to the video. She's never done this before. We're going to get a drink. Mike said he needed a drink, so that's where we're headed first.
Hollywood Studios. Why would I not? What's something you gotta do every time you come. Doing this for years now. Always start Hollywood Studios, chauffeur hopper, taste of vacation. That's delicious.
That's right, it's your taste of vacation. We always grab the first one, Anaheim produce. It's only like 2.5% alcohol, so it's essentially like having juice for breakfast.
On my bag.
Delicious, boozy juice.
My bag.
No line, that's what I like to see. There's never anybody back here. It's the perfect place to enjoy a morning beverage. How's your bev?
It's delicious, it's grapefruity. You know, back when Rise first opened, this was sort of our initial stop.
It's true.
Stop here at Anaheim, grab your beverage, sit there with your phone, wait for that virtual queue to open up. You have about 2 seconds, less than that usually. And that kind of dictates the rest of your day. You either got it or you didn't. But you always had this.
Next up, we're gonna hop on the freshly revamped rock and roller coaster. Here there are new lights, more signs.
Yeah, really updated some of the signage and the lights.
Fresh coats of paint or something.
It just looked newer, just looked more updated. But I also forgotten that first rust. You know, I've been on that in like a year. I mean, I remember it, but it hadn't experienced it in a while, so it had to latch on a little bit.
Lots of new signs. Everything's brighter. There are like lights on the ground. That's new. So they did a great job with it.
I think there was a taco sign. I think that was new.
Yeah, there's a burger one too. The only food one I remember before was the donut one. That's
right. So, yeah. Good
lots
updates.
Of
Good updates to the signs.
Palm trees. They were so bright.
The very first thing you saw, like 2 giant, I don't know what they were, but they almost looked
those
like
blue
coffins.
Things. Yeah. Next up, we're just gonna go right across the way to my favorite tower. Left to right and left to right only.
One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror. A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel in the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Cute. Like sands through the hourglass. Always the best. Best ride. Best ride. Now we're going to make a beeline to Baseline. So Sarah, Pete, and I all got the Sierra Nevada hazy little thing. No surprise, I think that's what I always get. Mike got a Pilsner. Remember the name of it? It's like
Shawshank. Scrimshaw.
it's like North Coast Scrimshaw or something like that.
Something of that
Is
variety.
it good?
Yeah. It's like a Pilsner.
Tastes like a Pilsner. Mom got the spiked strawberry lemonade. So they have a pretty decent bar in there, and you can get other drinks and add booze to them, which is what she did. It's only $2 more for a double. Oh, that's delicious. That really is good. Dad got the California Sunset, which is absolute vodka, Southern Comfort, and orange juice. Sounds exactly like something he would order. Is it good?
Oh yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah, I'll finish it.
And they also have an excellent pretzel with mustard and cheese. Beer cheese. Time to ride Mickey Minnie's Runaway Railway.
That's in 131.
Ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me.
It rained on us. We had to seek refuge, but now we're back out and we are in line to pilot the Millennium Falcon. There's 6 of us, which is perfect because we get our own cockpit. Love that. It's always more fun when you know everybody in there with you. I think. Hondo.
I am Hondo Naka.
Couldn't even show up in
My
person.
completely legitimate shipping company, Onaka Transport Solutions. I am sorry I could not be there to welcome you in person. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. Your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Ooh, that's rough.
We hit some of those asteroids dead on.
Yep, we did.
I think we had all of them.
Good target practice.
Mom has written this several times. I had zero idea that when the buttons flashed, she was supposed to push them. It's always the best to ride with Mom and Dad as the pilots. It's my
Daddy
favorite.
said you were recording that, were you?
Maybe.
We don't want any witnesses.
Well, after we got off of Smuggler's Run, it started pouring buckets. We went over to Topolino's Terrace, had a cocktail, had a coffee, had a snack, hung out there for a while, and then we came back because we have a late night Oga's reservation, so we're headed to that now. You know, that's how we love to end our day here at Hollywood Studios. So I will leave you with some of the sights and sounds of Oga's Cantina. Thank you guys for spending the day with us. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And it has been a most gratifying day. Bye. Not the best pour I've seen.
But I have a habit of this, having beer all over me this entire weekend.
How's your Trandoshan ale?
It's actually pretty good. It's kind of like an orange wheat, almost like a shock top, kind of.
From outer space.
Space top. Space. Shocky space. Shaka Khan.
Shaka Khan. How's the fuzzy?
Better than always.
So this is the first time I've ever noticed that DJ Rex has a collection of 8 tracks. How old is this guy? You know, you get real sassy when you come to these space bars.
This is my place. In the Star Wars universe, this is where I fit in. The bars.
Bar. It is indeed where she shines.
Jet juice, crushed ice. Best way to have this.
Jet juice? Jet juice on crushed ice. This is like a special request sort of deal. Oh, it's so much better this way. Why doesn't it just like come like this? Call the Bobs.
Life changing.
What happened? Use the force.
Tony's on the case.
Use it with the hammer. Oh, go ahead.
Look at it! Very good one!
Slug slinger to go. Late night Ogas. It's a club. Pete is a big fan of the Ogas Cantina's playlists.
Especially this one, it's like my Ewoks.
Pete's demonstrating what I call the Batu Bop.
Well, how many people have DJ Rex riding on their dashboard with them?
I don't know anyone.
You do. You know one. You know one.
You know what?
How's your jet juice with the crushed ice, Mike?
How has this not been a thing all this time? I mean, we've been to Oga's, you've been more than I have, but I've been at least 10 times and never thought to order an ice.
My girl Tony.
Tony! Thank you, Tony.
Yep, shout out to Tony.
She's got a lot of eons. I think she still has to work for the man for like 43 eons or something like that, so it's not bad.
She's our fave.
Something about spice, if you know some spice, have some spice, allspice, Christmas, I don't know. Bring her some allspice. It might save some of those eons from her. Sentence. Sounds like a sentence.
It does. She works for a crime boss.
I wish I worked for a crime boss. My job would be so much cooler if I had a crime boss.
It would up your street cred, for sure.
My street cred's so low.
Best drink on at Oga's. Get it.
Best one on bat too.
Secret menu.
Yep.
Secret menu.
Secret menu item.
I didn't know that was late.
I just can't do it.
I thought that was like tomorrow or something.